Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel tutorial. Today we will discuss about if conditions. If condition will give you the logical statements in Excel. If the condition is satisfied, it will give one statement. If the condition is not satisfied, it will give another statement. We have so many types of if conditions in Excel that we will discuss in series of videos. Please do watch all videos to get more knowledge on if conditions. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. So we have students mark list here. In the student mark list, what we have to know? We have to know whether the students are passed or failed. If the student scored more than 180, then he passed, or else he has to fail. Is equal to that we will get the result with the use of if condition. Is equal to if bracket start total marks is greater than or equal to 180 comma open pass or else fail. Close the bracket and press enter. So result came. Drag the formula. The student not scored more than 180 here, that's why it came fail. See, whatever is fail, he not crossed more than 180. Hope this video will helpful for you. We will discuss more if functions in next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thank you very much.